Lay down, Zena. Okay, she's having the myoclonia right now. Let me see if I can get. Okay, I don't really like to light. She probably doesn't want that either. So I don't know. Because her phone is actually good enough. Are you okay, hon? Hi. This one was the longest. Headache? Water?
Yeah, my eyes hurt.
Because you just had the eyelid myoclonia. Did you didn't take any more medication, did you? Because you already took medication this morning. Okay. Do you remember laying down and saying you're gonna go to sleep? No.
No.
What's the last thing you remember?
Saying that I was gonna lie down.
Saying that you were gonna lay down? Okay. Alright.
I think I went to go tell you that I was gonna lie down. I don't know.
No, I heard you. That was 2 seizures before. You already had another seizure. Then you said you were gonna go sleep. The other one was absence, and this one was the myoclonia. Okay?
Okay.
Just rest, honey. You want me to do anything for you? You just want to sleep? Okay. Don't worry, I'll come and check up on you. Okay? Make sure you're okay. Yeah? Alright.
Are you filming?
Yes, because Zena was making sure you're okay. And now she wants to bug the you. Okay, she's not paying attention. You not do fake stuff because then when it's for real.
Good girl, good girl.
When it's for real, that was a play jump though. She knows you're playing. She's not dumb. Too loud, man. Shh, too loud. Whoa. Can you not make her, please don't make her make noise. So Virginia just finished having a lot of seizures today. And the last one was myoclonia. Eyelid myoclonia. With absence. And that one was the longest. And now she's just getting some love from the dogs. And Zena's jealous. Very jealous. Okay. Hey. No biting. That's enough. Zena, lie down. Okay, honey. You need to get more sleep. Virginia.
No, Debbie, you have to stay here. Bring my teddy bear.
Okay, I'm taking her off the bed and Devi if they're not gonna stop right now.
Zena.
Okay, Zina, stop. You need to go sleep, hon. Okay? And this concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. And it's also time for the tip of the day. If you have a pet, make sure you spend your precious time playing and enjoying every single moment. Cultivate those moments of love and joy because they can make an amazing difference in your well-being. If you don't have a pet, spend a fun time with your family and friends and those that you love the most. Look at the smile on Virginia's face. That is a true expression of joy. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and press the bell button to receive notifications on upcoming videos. 26th of March is a very important date for all of us. It is an International Epilepsy Awareness Day. We invite you for a live discussion on epilepsy and seizures on that day. A lot of you still have a lot of questions which we will be able to answer live on that day. We are making a commitment to you guys to bring out 3 videos a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Sundays. Give this video a thumbs up. As always, lots of love to all of you guys and see you next time.